Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Sofi Bank's account. To log into your Sofi Bank's account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Sofi Bank login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link from the search results. It will take you to the login page of Sofi Bank. Here, you need to enter your email address and password associated with your Sofi Bank's account. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not, and then click on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password. This is how you can log into your Sofi Bank's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.